For Mastercam 2020, Edit Spline has been modified to provide a workflow that's more consistent with Edit Surface, enhancing your ability to make changes to splines and surfaces. When using Edit Surface and Edit Spline, you can now select and manipulate multiple nodes and/or control points by holding the Control key while making your selection. When you're done selecting, simply press Enter to begin editing. Mastercam 2020 also gives you greater control of the gnomon alignment when editing nodes and control points in the XYZ mode of the binormal plane. Curvature combs represent the curvature of the surface and display curvature continuity or discontinuity. In previous versions of Mastercam, a sliding scale was used to control the curvature comb. Starting in Mastercam 2020, the sliding scale has been replaced and the scale value now controls the display of the curvature vectors. You can also control comb spacing with the new chord height and number options. For more information on enhancements to CAD for Mastercam 2020, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.